Do you know about it? If not, you will get to know about nanotape from the beginning to the end. Nanotape. This tape has gone so viral just because of its properties that help it to form like a balloon when air is exerted in it. Nowadays, almost every YouTuber related to art and craft is making videos in which they are making nanotape bubbles. Nanotape, also known as a reusable adhesive tape or nanogel tape, is a type of adhesive tape that is made of material called nanoscale polymer. It was first invented in the early 2000s and has since gained popularity and versatile and reusable adhesive solution for various purposes. The purpose for nanotape is to provide a strong and durable adhesive solution that can be used to attach items to different surfaces without leaving behind any residue or damage. Nanotape is also used as an alternative to traditional adhesive tapes, such as duct tape or masking tape, which can be difficult to remove or make damaged surfaces. Nanotape can be used for a variety of purposes, such as organizing cables and cords, hanging pictures on posters, securing carpets and rugs, mounting household items like soaps, dispensers, toothbrush, and phone. Nanotape is made out of a material nanoscale polymer. It is a type of synthetic polymer that has unique adhesive properties. Nanoscale polymer used in nanotape is made out of a network of tiny fibers that create a tacky surface that can stick to various surfaces without leaving behind any residue or damage. It was the journey